watch me make a corset.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
I know I promised I would post more, and I have not kept that promise. But neither did your baby daddy. Anyways, we're going to be creating a corset. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're not new here, I miss you, and I'm going to be better. I'm going to try better. Okay? I'm not editing that out. I don't care. We're creating a corset. If you want an in-depth video with full details, comment below. For the most part, this is a sped up video, so just watch me stop, rewind, learn, stop, rewind, learn, watch me. Okay, do as I do, not do as I say. If you have any questions, comment below. And yeah, making a corset is very hard, very time consuming. So I'm not going to talk this entire video. So this first part, we are covering the bra cups. When you are covering bra cups, you want to make sure you are always ironing your seams open. That's what's going to create a nice flat lay over your cups. Okay. So here we are. Just basically sewing together 3 pieces. So essentially, when you have a bra cup and you're covering it the way that I'm covering it, it's going to be 3 pieces. And here goes Paxi. He woke up. We had to strap him up because I don't got time to not get this done. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a watch video and not so much a detailed instruction video. If you would like a detailed instruction video, be sure to comment, subscribe, and let me know, because I'm going to be creating more corset gowns and dresses. And so if you would like a detailed video, comment below and I'll go ahead and record that for you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Two tips when you're using a pre-made bra that has underwire and thick lining. You want to make sure that you are using a heavy-duty needle, either a 16-inch or 18-inch, to prevent your needle from hitting any metal and breaking. If it does break, it does happen. You do want to make sure you have extra needles on hand. The second tip is starting your first stitch with your needle already in that thick part of the inner corner of the bra. This is going to be a little more helpful when you go ahead and start to stitch. It won't hit. You already know that it's able to get through that part because you manually put the needle through. You'll do 2 stitches forward, back stitch, and then continue your stitches. This piece is the front panel of my corset. This step is not necessary unless you have a crease. So because I folded my pattern piece, I had a crease and I just ironed that out. I am double layering my corset with the same fabric. So if you have a top and a lining fabric and they're different, you'll go ahead and repeat this process. I'm using the same top and lining fabric, so that is what I'm doing here. In this clip, we are mapping out our boning channels, seeing what length we need them to be and what position and how many we would like. Once you are done sewing your boning channels to your main front fabric, be sure that you are sewing both sides of the boning channel. Then you're going to go ahead and take your side panels of your corset and you're going to repeat the same process you did for the front boning, which is sewing down the perimeter and sewing down your boning channel. I did use pre-made boning, and when you use this, you do want to take your time and make sure your stitches are really straight and in this area only, so that your metal boning can slide right through without a problem. So at this point, I did realize that I wanted to, I changed my mind and I wanted to add my bra cup to my front panel and then cover the cup itself. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lining that we did earlier in the video, and then I'll show you how to cover it attached to the front panel of the corset. So to cover the bra cup, you're basically going to follow the exact steps from the beginning of the video, and once you get to the bottom, you're gonna tuck and pin. Make sure you are making this part really snugged so that your cover can be nice and flat. I'm going to be covering, for my design, I'm going to be covering the cups with rhinestones, so you won't really see the flatness. But if you are not going to be covering this portion with rhinestones, I say take your time, make sure that it's very flat and nice and neat. After that, you're going to pin as much as you possibly can, and then you're going to sew all the way around the bottom of the bra cup, being sure to be very careful if you have underwire in this area.